Hello and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and comment for more content, and tune in because this is a very special vlog, and I guarantee you don't want to miss it. Okay, so today we are the plan for today is to go to a car meet. Now, the last time I went to a car meet, it didn't go quite as planned. I rushed prepping the car and whatnot, and I hadn't been to a car meet in 6 months. 6 months, that is crazy. And the last car meet I went to was Project 7. But tonight we're going to the SAD Enterprise car meet. So, and let's describe how that night went with Project 7. First, my camera died and I had no backup batteries. And two, my phone died on me. So I kind of didn't know the way home, so I sent it home. And managed to find my way. Obviously, you guys are still getting uploads. Yeah, I managed to find my way home. But I don't want that situation to happen again, because that would really suck. So after that car meet, what I did, so this situation will happen again, was that I had backup batteries in the car, and I have my phone hooked up to its charger so that I can have full battery, so I can take pictures on my phone and post it up on Instagram for you guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you might want to do that. This is what it looks like. And yeah, but before we get to the car meet, let's talk about the car. Okay, so I mentioned how I rushed the preparation of this car, but as you guys know that I've been doing stuff to this car for over 6 months now. This car has been through a whole lot. It's been through 2 accidents. I had fucking Christmas wrap on it, took that off. It had vinyl the hood, took that off also. It took some of my paint away, which I'm not happy about. And now my paint is getting worse and worse and worse. But the car will be getting painted this summer, hopefully. Everything goes well. What else happens? I do have stickers on the car. I no longer have the Toyo Tires banner. I still have the Honda banner, but only reason why I still have it is that I kind of want the front to look good, because I do have another banner to put on the car. However, I can't put it on until I get the windows tinted. I want the windows to get tinted, I want the windshield fixed. So I want, until those 2 things get done, I can't take the Honda banner off and put the new one on. So, because I want all that to be done to make the new banner look good. If that made any sense to you guys, kudos. So, and I also have a tow strap and stickers. So I think the car is ready now. Also, since the last car meet, the car now has an intake and headers. So a whole lot has happened to this car since the last car meet. I also have new headlights, and I am so stoked to bring the car out to show these kids my car after so long. Only reason why I haven't been going to car meets in a very long time is because of school. School and work permitted me not to go to a car meet, so because it ate away my time and it really sucked, and yeah, that happened. But the car is where I'm happy where my car is today. I am happy about it. I may spray the tires again with McGuire's tire shine, just to make the tires look good again. And the car is in a very good place, and I can't wait for the new changes to happen over the summer. But before we get over to the car meet, I have a very special announcement. It's a life changer, and I'm glad to be making this step in my life. So here is the special announcement. Alright, so I just left a job that I am looking to work at, and I got hired on the spot. So I'm very stoked for this. I'm about to go celebrate with a nice something from Starbucks. But I'm very excited to work at this job, and I'm glad that they chose to hire me and give me a shot. So we'll see how it goes, and this is a very exciting day because that means I don't have to work at my lousy job anymore. So yeah, very, very excited, super excited. So yeah. Alright, good news, right? So I'm very excited for the changes that are about to happen. This job pays me more than my previous job, and I'm very excited for this journey. New co-workers, new experiences, new journey, and I get to interact with new people. Hashtag grown as adults. So where I'm headed right now, I'm headed to get something for my dad, and we will be going to the car meet. So Houston, we are a go to the car meet. Houston, we are a go. So I'm gonna get this thing for my dad. Then we'll come back, shine the tires up a little bit, and we're gonna head out. Cause it starts at it's gonna last for 2 hours. So I want to head down there because I want to vlog the entire thing. I want to see all the nice cars. I want to take lots of pictures and stuff. Hopefully I can meet some new people, because that's what you gotta do. And I'm also charging my phone, as you see. It is 6:18. It starts at 7 o'clock. So the car is already warmed up, as you see. Don't mind the check engine light, it's because of the O2 sensor. But let's go ahead and get on the road, and let's get these tires shined up.
Silky beef.
Alright, she's looking nice and pretty. Now, let's head on to the car meet. Before I go, this is what I use, Meguiar's tire coating. It's a very good product, and it works, and it lasts actually a few days. So, thumbs up, Meguiar's. You guys got some goody products. So, without further ado, let's head over to the car meet, and let's have us some fun.
Silky beef.
basic cars.
Oh, we probably went in there and asked the dude if we were
Evo, G, RSX, 2,
I can't leave now.
my car,
Yeah, you can't. It's too fucking loud. I can't leave.
all the way over
going
there.
anywhere till that guy's
Sick
gone.
Prelude.
I'm gonna stay here.
I don't need
Push it
a
out.
mission.
Push it out.
Oh yeah, let's go. Push it into the Harris Teeter parking lot.
Okay, if he comes in here asking for a car, everyone just jump in your cars and fucking speed off.
And there's it.
Slow down. You better slow fucking
Someone
down.
on the phone to Jared to tell him to slow down.
Yep. Oh shit.
I dare someone to go over to the cop's window and knock on it and say, hi, officer.
No, you do.
I can't. I would not do
You give me
it.
$1 right now, I'll go knock
I
on
will
his
give
window.
you $2 if you go do it. Hey, go ask
He
him
better
if
not.
the cop wants to race.
Shit. He jumped. like shit. God damn.
I wasn't ready. I should have had someone in there, like, hey, the motorcycle about to take off. No. Are all of our cars street legal?
I don't know that.
I don't know mine's is anymore, but
Yours is street legal, mine is not.
of course not. Yours is loud as shit.
Mine is not.
Does anyone here have a Dodge Charger? Let's go race. Oh, he's coming.
Alright, Jared, I see you. Oh, don't get hit by the car. Mustang guy.
Oh, bro, it's totally for me. I saw that guy when I was leaving. It's totally for me.
Yeah, is that a
Is it? Yeah, it is. Is it raining? It's not raining still. That was the guy. That was the guy.
Copper. Oh, look, he's coming over. Okay, so status update. We are headed to another location. Had some issues with the manager or whatever, but it's all good. The night continues and the show shall go on. So right now, we are all mobbing to another location. That guy I had gotten a ride with earlier, him and all the others are going. So far I'm enjoying this meet. I gotta start show you guys more of the cars and whatnot. But yeah, it's a very nice night. I got some compliments on the car, and yeah, that's what we're looking at now. So I'll see you guys at the next.
Just chilling. That's the biggest fucking chilling.
Those are GTS.
Holy shit. GTS?
Yes, it's GTS.
It looked like a GTR.
Does look like a GTR. Yeah, it said. Can it say it on the back? GTS.
That's fucking. That's like it's like people who are like, I'm gonna swap it to get a GTS because it's cheaper. Not really.
No.
It's like, and then they're gonna GTR swap it. The fuck, just buy a
No,
GTR.
just GTS. Yeah.
This is also the same dude who wants to race cars.
That's not
I
fair.
actually have half what he has. I have a 4-cylinder.
That's not fair.
I got a little four-bagger. Four-bagger.
If you could give me like 2 more cylinders.
Send it. Let her rip.
Oh, he might be doing it. Oh, fuck.
Send it.
You can fit in
Send it. Send it.
a Jaguar S-Type motor and
I was gonna be higher.
Yeah, I was actually. There's some guy doing 6-cylinder swap.
Alright, made it back home. It was a blast. I need y'all to bear with me when I make these videos going to car meets, because I don't want to just putting a camera in random people's faces. But that was the best car meet that's been a very good car meet since I've been to in a very long while. This day has been a very great one. I'm glad to have shown my car in the condition it is now. People liked it. I got some compliments, a lot of compliments on the car. I got a lot of ideas, and they'll have ideas that I'm not going to share just yet. But you'll hear those ideas as as the car continues to grow older and whatnot. But I had a blast. Thank you thank you to my guy, let's see his name. I'm going to just say his name's, that's Focus. It's not focusing. But it's Jesus Christ on Snapchat. Thank you for the ride along. Your car is sick and very loud. My car won't be that loud. Only thing that is needed is a exhaust, and that's it. That's all my car needs, an exhaust. But this summer is gonna be a very great summer. I'm gonna be saving up for school. We're gonna saving up for the build, for a whole lot of other things, and road trips also. And I cannot wait. Also, we have graduation coming up, so that's gonna be a very good video because I do want to go around to all the schools I've been to before graduation, leading up to graduation, excuse me, and that'll be a pretty sick video. So without further ado, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. It's been very exciting for me. It's just been a very good day. I enjoy days like these. You can find the pictures I've taken at the at Set Enterprise car meet down below at my Instagram. Here's my name. Thank you to Set Enterprise for holding the car meet. I had a blast. I'm glad I got to bring Chelsea out there, and I can't wait for the next one. So without further ado, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Live life simple and tune out.